click on Reel, and let's select something that we want to publish. Let's choose this thumbnail over here. We click select, and now you get a small tutorial from Instagram itself because you're publishing for the first time. The first thing that you want to focus is, of course, editing. You can actually click on the edit function, and then you can move towards the center, adjusting the length of the actual image or video that you want to publish on Reels, right? Then whatever you like to keep or delete, all you gotta do is to press the split button. When you press the split button, you're gonna keep what is in between the yellow lines. What is out of the yellow lines will simply be the remaining video. For example, if I want to delete this one, I have to click discard. Discard this clip. If you continue, this clip will be removed from your video. Discard, okay? Discard simply replaces the delete button. So you saw how the yellow part that we simply split from the actual video is no longer part of the video. I understand it's weird. They should just put the delete button.